The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lafayette Police Department. At 1:01 a.m. Central Standard Time, multiple 911 calls stating multiple break-ins across the Lafayette area. Residents should do the following: lock all doors and windows, close blinds, cover it with tape or damp towels. If you see anyone approaching your house, call 911 immediately and state your situation. Do not answer anyone by all means necessary, unless a family member or friend. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for more information as the situation develops.